Hello, welcome to this video, and in it I'm going to be telling you great 5 reasons as to how to give your business videos clout. The reason I'm doing clout is because not only is it a bit of shameless branding, but it's also a really quite easy way to remember these 5 key tips, which I think are really important, particularly to those who are doing videos on their smartphones. The first tip is C for clean your lens. The reason for this, especially if you're doing your videos on your smartphone, and you should do it anyway, is to clean your lens. You've got a beautiful HD lens here, available on your phone, of course, on the back if you want to do it that way. But just give it a little wipe, because that way you're going to remove all the ear and the hair oils that you've been doing and attaching to it when you've been working with it and using it on your phone and your headset. So give it a little lens, a little wipe, half a second job, and you've got a nice crystal clear image, rather than that weird soft focus thing, which I don't think is really very hot. Number 2, L for lens. Clean your lens and then look at your lens. It's really important. Again, this is a bit of a smartphone focused one here. When you're talking to your phone, when you're doing a video, make sure you look at the lens, right down the barrel of the lens here. The thing is, if you look just off the lens a tiny bit and you're looking at your viewfinder screen, for example, so you can see yourself, you've lost your eye contact with the people you're talking to. Now I'm looking at you, now looking at what, barely half an inch off the lens center, because that's about the distance from where we are here. So when you've cleaned your lens, look at your lens. Keep the eye contact, and that's really important. Hop to number 3, objective for O. Why are people watching your video? What are you going to be sharing with them? What are they there to get? What's the objective? What's the purpose, the reason for the video? So like you saw at the beginning of this video, and of course everyone on YouTube does this. As soon as the video starts, they say, hi, in this video you're going to learn about blank. State your objective nice and early, so whoever's watching it will know what they're going to be getting from your video. Hop to number 4 for you. And the idea of this is a little bit weird, but trying to blag it in was unique and your personality and about being you. So when you're doing a video presentation, again, into whatever capacity, and this also extends a little bit into, in personality as well when doing it in person, is to bring your energy up about, I think about 20% more than it normally is. You don't want to go full on, hey kids, how's it going? Because you go a little bit kids entertainer, of course, unless that's your margin, that's your market. But I think if you bring your energy up that much more, it just gives you more energy, more boost. The person watching it's going to enjoy it that much more. You're going to have much more fun doing it, presenting it. And that's why I've used you for you, your personality, your uniqueness about you. Hot tip number 5 is time. How long should a video be? It's a common question we often get, and I might even do a separate video entirely about that. But how long should a video be? I've always been of the thinking of it should only be as long as it needs to be and not 10 seconds longer. Because what often happens is someone will do the video, they'll finish up, and then they'll spend an inordinate amount of time recapping it. Well, hang on, we just watched the last 5 minutes, we kind of get it. A brief recap, okay, fine, but don't expend it and lengthen the point and all the rest of it, because we're busy people, we've got stuff to do. So those are my 5 key points. I hope that's of interest to you. Clean your lens, look at your lens, you, be your personality, what's the objective of your video, and time, keep it short. Only as long as it needs to be. If you want to see it again, replay it. I'm Luke from Clout Media. I hope it's been of interest to you. Have a fantastic day ahead. I'll speak to you soon.